So this video is about starting your YouTube channel. So I'm going to give you some tips on like what you need to do if you want to start a good YouTube channel. And we're going to be talking about the types of videos that you're going to be putting out onto your channel so it's the most effective, because we want it to grow as quickly as possible. We want to make sure that we're putting out good content. So when you're my big tip for starting a YouTube channel, which is why I've managed to get nearly 30,000 subscribers at the time of recording this, by posting probably around about 40 videos. And my tip for doing this is all down to this, right? So, I mean, you don't have to do this, but I just recommend this as a little tip. This little thing here, making a millionaire. So my YouTube channel originally started off, the idea is following my journey as I become a millionaire before the age of 30. So my first video was watch me make a million. And then the whole point of the channel is follow me as I try to make money, and I'm going to explore different ways along the way, which then opens it up, because then as I'm exploring ways of making money, I can suggest products and make money along the way. So that's kind of how it worked. But I really think that having some kind of journey to your channel really increases subscribers and gets people to subscribe a lot quicker, because they kind of want to see whether you're going to make it or not. So I think if you're thinking about a YouTube channel to start with, try and think of some journey that you can follow that is in your niche. I think that really does help at the start. But obviously you might not want to be so narrow where you're going to follow your journey. So you don't have to do that. But it's a great idea. But I think it does help to have your kind of niche in the title here, because I've seen a lot of people hearing all about personal brand and stuff, and obviously I'm teaching about in this course, and then they just put their name as the channel, like John Richardson, but no one knows who John Richardson is. So I don't think that's that effective. If someone sees your video like, who's this person, it's not got many views. But if your channel is almost like entrepreneur hustle, or the life of an entrepreneur, or making a millionaire, or millionaire by 21, I've seen someone else do that, then it kind of gives them a reason to maybe explore a bit more and maybe subscribe to your channel and see what you're about. So I think that really helps when you're first starting off. And then going on later on in time, you can like change it to your name, which I'm going to probably do, or maybe add my name into it as well. That might help, because I'm starting to build my personal brand. But I do think that helps, having that title at the start. And then when you're creating it, obviously you want to do a good, nice, banner image at the top, which you can just do on canva.com for free, or go to fiverr.com and get someone to make it. This is what I did with this, just give them a photograph and they made me one. Make it professional, write your about section on here, and you really need to be thinking about the niche, going back to that, like who are you going to be targeting? So I'm on my channel targeting people who want to make money online, and I'm mainly targeting guys, if I'm honest, but obviously it's open to anyone, but like people similar to me, young guys that want to make money online. I'm getting on a bit now, but young guys that want to make money online. So that's always running through my channel. But obviously I can still target videos towards other people and make them slightly more wide. It doesn't have to be that narrow-minded, but that's ultimately what my channel's aimed at. So we're going to talk about the types of videos that you're going to be producing on your channel. So there's many different types of videos you can put out, so you should never really run out of ideas. So the first type of video is review videos. So as an affiliate marketer, you can just review a product, do a video about it, and include your link underneath. That's the easiest way to start a review video. So as you'll see, if you scroll down here, I did Builder All Features review. Really easy, just reviewing something, and then people will search on here, review of Builder All. Your video shows up, and then they might not have signed up at that point. You go, click on my link below, click on your link. And you can also maybe say, click on my link and I'll offer you a bonus. And I'm going to talk about bonuses in a later section. But that's just the easiest way to do it if you want to produce videos. So review videos work really well. The next one is comparison videos. So I don't do too many of the review videos, too many of the comparison videos. I try to document what I'm doing a bit more, but these work really well as well. So as you'll see here, I actually did it in this video slightly. So it's ClickFunnels alternative. So that's almost trying to rank for ClickFunnels as well. and kind of do a bit of a comparison. But I don't really do the comparison videos, but that is, I'll just search now. So ClickFunnels V Builderall. So you will see ClickFunnels V Builderall, my honest review. ClickFunnels V Builderall, pros and cons honest review. ClickFunnels V Builder. So these people are just reviewing both. So you might want to, someone's thinking, should I join Builderall? Should I join ClickFunnels? They want to see someone explaining the pros and cons of both. And then they will do a quick video reviewing both. They have their link underneath. That's easy money because they're at the top of Google now, ranking for that. So think of the products which I've mentioned, any product which I show you, you do a review or you do a comparison video. There's plenty of videos you can do for that and get them to rank. So the next type of video is how-to videos. So how-to videos are one of the best videos you can put out on YouTube because people are coming to YouTube to learn how to do things because they don't want to sit through and read a blog post or step-by-step instructions. They want someone to show them. So you can jump on that, create a video on how to do something, and then add your affiliate link underneath. So it could just be as simple as how to use a piece of software or how to do something inside a piece of software, like how to build a landing page with ClickFunnels or how to build a sales funnel with ClickFunnels, how to automate emails with GetResponse. You do a quick overview video by recording your screen. You just explain how you're doing it step by step. If you've not already signed up to Builder or ClickFunnels, or if you've not already signed up with the program, there's a link underneath because people might be thinking, is it easy to use before they purchase it? That's a good one to start with. But you don't have to be as matter of fact. So you could do like how to make money online and then list some things. So I'll just show you some of my videos here. So this one is ClickBank, how to make $100 per day on ClickBank. So I'm telling them how to make $100 per day on ClickBank. ClickBank's free to join. So how are you making money? Well, I'm actually showing them that in order to make money with ClickBank, they need to create a landing page. And then when they're creating the landing page, I actually mention that they can use Builderall, and then that's when I link my affiliate link underneath. Or this one here, how to advertise on Facebook for free. I think I talk about going into groups and stuff, but then I could recommend a program like Fiverr to create some posts that they can then share in Facebook groups, or how to build a personal brand from scratch. Again, I could just start to recommend some of the tools I used when I was building my personal brand. And that is a really good way of putting content out on YouTube and getting your links out there. And the next type of video is like just documenting, which is probably one of my favorite types of putting content out on YouTube. Kind of documenting or even like challenge videos work really well. So I did vlogs for a little bit where I just vlogged my day-to-day lifestyle. But as I was vlogging what I was doing, I was obviously talking about things that I was working on. So I was working on Builderall. So then I kept adding my Builderall link underneath my vlogs because I was talking about it. Or if I was doing a coaching call with someone that had just joined my Builderall team, I talk about that and say, well, if you want a coaching call, I didn't say it, but if you want a coaching call, you need to sign up with Builderall, which is underneath. So that's a really good way if you're unsure about putting content out. Just document. And that's why it works really well if you're following your journey to something. You just document as you're trying something, like, I'm going to try and do this today. I'm going to try and make $100 today. I'm going to follow my progress. And then you can share the links to whatever you're using. So I did this with this video here, which is £0 to £1,000 challenge. So what I did is I just followed myself as I tried to go from zero to making $1,000. And I think I sold stuff on Fiverr. I sold some stuff around the house first of all. Didn't obviously no affiliate links for that. And then I started selling services on Fiverr. So I added my Fiverr affiliate link underneath. I'll just click on it and show you. So I added it's got 136,000 views. So I added my Fiverr link underneath, which you can see there. And then I went on to do some match betting with that profit accumulator, that like betting website, which I showed you earlier. And then there's a link through to that. So not only am I following my progress, I'm providing content for the audience and value, but I'm also sharing my affiliate links to my products as well. So that's generating me income. So yeah, doing challenges and following your progress to something is a really good way of subtly selling your affiliate links without making it too obvious and too salesy. And the next type of video, which I think you should all do, and I think a lot of people kind of miss this step when they're creating a YouTube channel, especially when they're trying to make money from it straight away, is just providing value. So just try and create videos where you're not selling anything. There's no affiliate links underneath, because people get annoyed if you're just constantly posting affiliate links. And I do post a lot of affiliate links. I try and do it more subtly most of the time, but people think, well, you're only posting stuff to share your affiliate link. So it's good to kind of mix them up with sometimes when you're not actually promoting anything. So as Gary Vee says, it's jab, jab, right hook. So post maybe 2 videos where you're just providing some value and then share your affiliate link. So like this here, my goals review 2019. I didn't have any affiliate links in that. I wasn't trying to sell anything, but I just wanted to share my goals and motivate people, which is providing value. And like this one here, how to sell anything with these controversial marketing tricks. Again, just providing value, not selling anything. I'm giving away some free value, which means they trust me. They trust my marketing skills. So then when I do post this one about how to build your Instagram, they start to believe me, they trust me, and then they sign up with that link. So I think that's what you should think about, the bigger picture as well. And that obviously leads to more subscribers, which is building your subscriber list of like fans and core followers, which you can then promote to in the future. So yeah, make sure you're putting value out and don't try and sell too much to the audience, especially when you're first starting out as well. You'll notice at the start of my videos, I wasn't actually selling anything. I was just explaining my journey, and then I started to sell, but also provide value. So that's really important. So that video is kind of an overview of how to start your channel and what types of videos you need to be producing. I'm going to go into more detail about actually producing specific videos and what makes a good video in the next section.